powerful and compact. Vermeer mini skid steers, built for the job. S450 TX, S925 TX, CTX 50, CTX 100. The commanding mini skid steer lineup has a compact design to move easily through backyards, or capable of being the powerhouse on larger projects. The mini skid steer from Vermeer, designed with customer input to keep your work running smoothly. Productive lifting capabilities, powerful hydraulics, universal attachment plate, pilot joystick controls, industry-leading safety features, strong tractive efforts for maximum ground drive control. Visit your Vermeer dealer to learn more about mini skid steers, only from Vermeer.